Metal or wood? Which gate lasts longer? Let's find out. First up, let's talk durability. A well-maintained metal gate can last 20 to 50 plus years, while wooden gates typically last around 10 to 20 years before showing signs of wear. The type of metal also plays a role. Wrought iron and steel are the strongest, while aluminum offers durability with a lightweight structure. For wood, hardwoods like cedar and redwood last longer than softwoods like pine. When it comes to weather resistance, metal holds up better against moisture, termites, and extreme temperatures. However, untreated metal can rust, so powder coating or galvanization helps prevent corrosion. Wood, on the other hand, is prone to rotting, warping, and insect damage if not properly sealed and maintained. Metal gates require minimal upkeep, just occasional repainting to prevent rust. Powder-coated or galvanized metal needs even less maintenance. Wooden gates need more maintenance like staining, sealing, and repairs to keep them looking good, especially in humid or rainy climates. Security-wise, metal gates are the clear winner. They offer more protection against break-ins and hold up better against impact. Wooden gates, while still sturdy, can weaken over time, especially if they absorb moisture or develop cracks. What about cost? Initially, wooden gates tend to be more affordable than metal gates. However, long-term maintenance costs can add up. A well-maintained metal gate may be a better investment in the long run. So, if durability is your top priority, metal gates are the way to go. But if you love the classic charm of wood, just be prepared for a little extra maintenance. Need help choosing the right gate for you? Call us at 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com.